Alright guys, just wanted to show you my little TIG cart I built. Just got it thrown together. Turned out pretty decent. Got everything cleaned up pretty nice. Got my pedal and torch and everything hanging up. So you walk around the back. Put me a little latch on there. Pull this latch out. You can open that up and get to it. Turned out pretty decent. And I'll just put this pin back in and keep it from popping out and you're good to go. Yeah, turned out pretty decent. I'm happy with it. I've got my extras down there, cups and stuff, and tungstens, and yeah, I'm happy with it. It's good to go. It's actually long enough to put my rods in down there at the bottom, but I just got them laying on the table for now. But anyway, wanted to show you my latest project.